Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You're tuned into the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. So we have some breaking news that was just confirmed. By the way, if you're new here, technical news, that is. No, not actual news. We only go over price action, by the way. So just so that you know. We're going to go over that, and I'm going to show you the reason why that this may not sit well with the bulls. So let's just stick around here for the end. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new, again, price action is what we explore. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's August the 3rd, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $37,942.82, slightly negative 0.6% for the day. Okay. All right, so welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis, and let's just get right to the breaking news here, okay? So we're going to pull up the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average. Take it easy there, bulls. I'm just a messenger. And ladies and gentlemen, what you are witnessing on the screen is a daily candle just closed below the 200 exponential. And just to kind of put a little bit of perspective here, if you're new, whenever you have the green line cross, the green line here is just a 50 exponential moving average cross below the red line. That means the market is in a technical bear market if the price action is taking place below a minimum of the red line, okay? As of recently here, Bitcoin actually had a very nice thrust to the upside, and the market broke above that 200 exponential moving average, and it broke it out of a bear market, and it was kind of in between. It wasn't in a bear market, it wasn't in a bull market. It was just in an overall uptrend. Let's kind of back out so that we're all clear. Sorry, I apologize, guys. I go over this all the time if you always watch them. The videos, it's in an overall uptrend, okay? So when the price action broke above that red line, it just simply put Bitcoin in an overall uptrend, not in a bull market or a bear market, because when you're in a bull market, you need the green line to cross back above the red line, okay? You need that green line, of course, cross back above, green line, cross back above the red line, okay? So yeah, just as of recently here, just yesterday, about actually just like 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, we had this red candle here to close below that 200. So yeah, unfortunately, guys, it's in a bear market. Okay, that was a lengthy explanation. Wow. Okay, that candle right there. All right, so what do we expect now? So what I do is, hopefully this is a short video, guys. When we have a really nice thrust up to the upside, what I do is I take the swing low and the swing high. That just basically means the previous low in the market. I'll go ahead and circle it out for you. The previous low in the market, and I just take kind of the previous high in the market. And then I pull out my beautiful Fibonacci retracement tool. It's a very beautiful red, white, and blue. And then I just go from the bottom to the top. Oh, let me just explain that for like if you're new to the technical analysis of Fibonacci retracements. The only thing I did was I measured it from the low to the high. That's important because some people kind of measure from the high to the low. No, you have to do it in the opposite. Okay, you have to measure from the low to the high in order to understand where the market will retrace down to. Okay, but of course, if you're looking for an overhead target, you do the opposite. But let's just keep it simple: the low to the high to find the retracement. Okay, if you're new to like Fibonacci retracement, look them up. There, guys, are very powerful. Okay, so that's what I've just done. Measure the low to the high. And the one level that I will be focusing on is the white line. It's actually the 618. Many who follow Bitcoin know that that's a very powerful level, with the exception of like the golden pocket and all those other numbers that a lot of guys put up. No disrespect to that. That's awesome, but I like to keep it super simple, okay? The 618 has a potential to retrace down to $34,300. Write that number down if you take notes, $34,300, all the way up to the $36,000 level, okay? So we've already measured the fib right here at the 618, okay? 34.3. And the reason that I say 36,000, because of course on this channel we will go to support and resistance. Sometimes patterns, but just support and resistance for now. And I can put like a horizontal line. It's very clear as day, guys. When you pull up your high time frames, boom, right there. That is the previous level of resistance before the market broke above that 40,000 there. Bitcoin had a really spectacular opportunity when it broke above that 40,000. It was really supposed to shine, and just start consolidating and, maybe even get a back test and continue higher. But it just failed, man. It came up short, and I was just really kind of disappointed to see that. But it is what it is, right? But the only thing Bitcoin needs to do is just hold that $36,000 level, all right? This will be a short video. I don't want it to be too long. I talk so much. So that's it, guys. Write down those levels. That's all. We'll take them into consideration. You may do with them as you wish. Just take this as educational information only, please. Not financial advice. And that is it for now. Let's give them price. Let's give it a full week. If it does retrace down to 36 or 34, let's give it a full week. Hopefully you guys are pulling up your charts out there, because if it does go down to that level, where you're going to look for is like kind of reversal candles. So just do a quick YouTube search on reversal candles, and they'll kind of break it down for you. And I think that's really helpful, guys. The more you could look at this stuff, the more it will make a lot more sense. Pull up the volume, although I don't show the volume on the channel, just to keep my my charts crystal clear so that everyone can see everything. Yeah, just pay attention to the volume as well. I'm telling you, you're going to discover some stuff that you will blow your mind. Okay, I can't share all my secrets, but yeah, and it's tied more into like the volume. Okay. All right, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys have the levels. Hopefully you guys are doing well. You have 1 week, or let's see what happens within the next week. If you have a green day tomorrow, that's to be expected. The $35,800 level. Watch that level as a potential level of resistance. But if that level can break through, that's actually a really good sign. So I guess, yeah, tomorrow, if you're seeing it at 30, if you're watching this now, it's at $38,500. You see a small green screen and it's having trouble breaking through that level. Yeah, it's probably acting as resistance. Let's let the markets determine what's going to happen next. Okay, that's what I have. And let's wrap up the video, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also cover the traditional stocks. If you're into traditional stocks, we cover that 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Okay. Once again, I thank you guys for stopping out. I appreciate your time. Be sure to execute your strategies out there. Always be kind. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.